Hey friends, today we learn about nature places for kids. Forest, this is forest. Park, this is park. Snow mountain, this is snow mountain. Hill, this is hill. Pond, this is pond. Desert, this is desert. Canal, this is canal. Cliff, this is cliff. Bridge, this is bridge. Coast, this is coast. Glacier, this is glacier. Dam, this is dam. Island, this is island. Lighthouse, this is lighthouse. Ocean, this is ocean. Bay, this is bay. Cave, this is cave. Ground, this is ground. Beach, this is beach. Jungle, this is jungle. Waterfall, this is waterfall. Field, this is field. Sky, this is sky. Grassland, this is grassland. Dune, this is dune. Plateau, this is plateau. Riverbank, this is riverbank. Meadow, this is meadow.